guys, my name's Cheeky and thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tie-up bikini. So the tie is actually going to be at the back and at the front, as you can see here. If I turn around, as you can see, the back bit is literally just a band. So for this particular tutorial, you're going to need to know the measurement of your back to make sure that the back bit is not going to be too big for you, because the adjustments should be made at the front ties. So right now I'm working on PDF patterns for you guys, so you can download it in different sizes, and I'm going to show you how to adjust the patterns, make them big, make them small. So it's a little project that I'm working on, and hopefully it should be up soon. So for this tutorial, you're going to need some stretchy fabric. I'm showing you in a different fabric. It's also mermaid inspired. I'm showing you the tutorial in a different fabric because the one I'm wearing now, well, the top was a sort of a practice one, so I've adjusted the pattern and sort of, you know, in different places to make it a little bit better, and so on. But yeah, if you want to learn how to make your very own tie-up bikini top, keep watching, guys.
First of all, let's start with the pattern. At the moment I'm working with the pattern folded in half. The fold line is at the back, so you're going to need your back measurement for the back. I got this basic pattern literally just by tracing over a bikini that already fitted me properly. As you can see, this is one that I actually already made. The only difference in this bikini is that I've made the back bit onto a fold line and just added a little bit extra in the front bit so it can be tied up. As you can see, as I open up the pattern, you can see the shape sort of coming up. So it ties up at the front and at the top. Now I'm going to get my sewing fabric and place it on the fold, and making sure to place the back bit of my bikini top pattern on the fold. I've got the pattern opened up so you can just see where the fold is. I mean, you can work on just one side of the pattern by just like opening the whole fabric up, but I'm just doing it this way just to show you guys. I'm using a rotary cutter to cut the fabric out, but you can use a pair of scissors. I like to use a rotary cutter because it's much quicker and you do get a much cleaner cut. So once you finish cutting the whole top bit out, you're going to unpin your pattern from your fabric, and then you'll have the front bit of your bikini top. Now moving on to the lining. You can make the lining out of the same fabric, but I don't really want to waste this fabric because it's really pretty. So I'm doing exactly the same thing. I've got the fabric on the fold and I'm going to cut all the way around. The only difference is I'm actually going to have the back bit open because it's how I'm going to bag the bikini. So bagging actually means turning an item of clothing inside out when it's got a lining. I'm going to show you how to do this in a little while. So now I've got 2 pieces of lining. I'm literally going to stitch the back bit, but I'm going to leave a little hole, almost like it's a buttonhole. So as you can see here, I've left a little gap, and through that gap is what I'm going to use to turn the bikini inside out. Now I'm going to place both of the right sides together, so the pretty side stays inside facing each other and the raw edges are on the outside. I'm going to make sure to line them up really nicely, so when I stitch them up they come out really pretty. Now I'm going to overlock all the way around. If you don't have an overlocker, you can always use a zigzag stitch on a normal sewing machine. Now I'm going to bag out the swimsuit. So as you can see, I'm bagging it all out through the little hole at the back. And the good thing it's at the back so no one can see it and it's just nice and neat. So there you have it, your own tie-up from bikini top. And here is the one I made in the mode.